Welcome to Trending.review. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. What should I look for in a rotary lawnmower? There are a few things to look for when purchasing a rotary lawnmower. First, consider the size of your lawn and choose a mower that is appropriately sized. Second, think about the features that you would like your mower to have, such as an adjustable deck height or mulching capability. Third, compare prices from various retailers to get the best deal. Finally, read online reviews to see what others have said about different models of rotary lawn mowers. Please click link in description for more detail. Thanks for watching.